Now that we've extruded our simple tool tote and cleaned up the interferences, we can go ahead and drop this into the drawing page. To do that, we go to Model, select Drawing, it's from Design. We'll go ahead and change our sheet size to 8.5 by 11. It's easy to print. And okay. Now immediately it brings up the our tool tote front view by default, and we'll just select anywhere on the page, and we'll go ahead for now and go with the default settings and select OK. Now looking at the page, it brings in this title block format, and for what we're doing, I don't think it's necessary, so I'm going to go ahead and deselect title block in the display border. And I'm going to select our original drawing view, and I'm going to add projected views. So I can do a top view and a side view. And I'll go ahead and do an isometric view as well. I hit escape. It'll release us from that projected view tool. I'm going to drag this down to the corner over here. If you left click and then left click again, it lets you move the views around. I'm going to go ahead and right click in the original view and come up to edit view. And I'm gonna try and increase the scale a bit so it's a little easier to see. And it looks like a quarter scale will fit. Close that out. And just get these guys centered on the sheet. There we go. And the dimensioning is kind of a personal preference. I'm going to dimension the views that I think will help me make this tool tote. And to do that, just type D, same as in the model space. And I'll start with the overall size. Now, if you notice, it's only giving us no decimal places. I can modify that over here. Annotation settings. I can select display trailing zeros. And then I'll continue to dimension by typing D using the dimension tool. And I'll drop down again, it's the dimensions that I feel are necessary to fabricate. And for me, that is sufficient. So I'm going to go ahead and save. And we'll just keep the same file name.